Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Vani and I'm back with another beauty video. So today we will be talking about the benefits of Vaseline. So if you go online and search benefits of Vaseline, you will find 15, 20 or I don't know how many benefits of Vaseline, but all of them are not true. So I will be discussing 7 useful benefits of Vaseline, and they are tried and tested. And trust me, they are very, very useful. So let's begin. I also have a new Vaseline because obviously I could not show you the old one because it's all like the sticker is not there and it is half empty, so it's not that presentable. So I bought the new one just for the video. Obviously I will use it also once I'm over with that one. So let me tell you the first benefit of Vaseline. It is the best to remove eye makeup, or if you have a matte lipstick on your lips which is difficult to remove, it is the best. For example, I'll tell you the lazy days when I really don't go through all the steps of removing my makeup and I just do the basic 2 steps, which is using the wet wipes, getting rid of the makeup, and using the face wash. Just 2 steps. And if there is any bit of makeup which is left once you get up in the morning and then you see any of the mascara or anything coming under your eyes, so what's the best technique and you can get rid of it? Take your Vaseline. After you washed your face, take a good amount of it, rub it in between your fingers and apply it on your eyelashes, on the above and the lower lash line, and give it a little massage towards your eyes. Just swirl it using your middle 2 fingers, swirl it all over your eyes and just sleep over it, okay? Next morning you'll realize that once you wash it, then you'll be rid of everything. You can use this as a makeup remover. It works perfectly well. Okay, so I have used n number of lip balms, some fancy ones, some Ayurvedic ones. So I've used a lot of lip balms, and I don't know why am I speaking this. So you guys will get to know a little secret about me. It's not really a secret, but something which is not so cool, okay? So I have a tendency, when I have dried lips, when I have chapped lips, I peel off the skin. Like not really skin, but the skin which is getting removed. So I tend to, okay, I've said it, okay, don't judge. So this is what it is. I can have really chapped lips, and how can this be helpful? So this is a great tool for chapped lips. I use it twice a day. In the morning once I've washed my face and applied the moisturizer, so I do apply it, and the second time at night before sleeping. So this is the second benefit, darling. Let's move on to the third one. So this is the one that my mom has tried, and I think this is very useful. So if you have cracked heels, so what you can do is wash your feet, pat dry it, and apply this at night and wear a cotton socks. This is you'll see the difference the next morning. And keep doing that for a week and you'll see a major difference. Now, another tip that I'll be giving you, it works perfectly. I have n number of nail pens, and I do have a nail polish video coming up for those who are asking for it. So I have n number of nail paints, and you know, after like a week or 2 it tends to get dry, and then in the bottle you do have the nail paint, but then it is dry. So what the tip is, as soon as you buy the new nail paint, just open the bottle, apply the Vaseline on the neck of the bottle and close it back. So then that nail paint won't get dried at all. Because if you do this step after you've used it, the dryness would have happened, though it won't dry more than that, but the effect has already happened to the nail paint, A, and B, the neck would be too dirty, so then you have to first wipe it with the makeup remover, then after the neck is clean, then you need to apply the Vaseline. My recommendation is, as soon as you buy it, apply this on the neck of the nail paint and you're good to go. It won't get dried. Okay, another tip, if you have dried elbows and dried knees, another thing what you can do is, and if you don't really want to, like the weather right now is so sticky and it is so hot, so if you don't want to apply it and go out, what I can recommend is before you sleep, so then what you can do is just clean your elbows and knees and apply this and sleep. You will have beautiful soft elbows and knees if you have dried or cracky texture. Another tip, it's a beauty tip. So I have lot of baby hair, and I am a Sardani, so we don't cut hair. I have lot of baby hair, you can see right now it is all straight and everything, but I think you can still see here and there. So if I would apply this, let me just do a little bit of it. See, I've applied just a little bit of it. You see that? See? It's all gone. So it works perfectly to tame the baby hair. And if you want to go for a party or anywhere or just want to tame the baby hair, don't go for hairsprays because those are chemicals and really harmful. I would recommend you to go for this. Just apply this wherever you feel you have baby hair and you're good to go. The last benefit from Vaseline is that if you have blackheads anywhere, okay, so what you can do is apply this and sleep overnight. In the morning, scrub it. Don't use a proper scrubber. Use something, I would recommend use Himalayas neem scrub. Yeah, use that, just scrub it, scrub your face, and the blackheads would be gone. You can, and how you can see the difference is before applying the Vaseline, just touch your nose, feel it. You'll feel that it is quite dry and not that smooth. After you're done with the process, then apply it. You will feel it is so soft and so smooth. That's it. So these are the 7 benefits of Vaseline that you can use in your daily life, and trust me, each one of them is so useful and they are tried and tested. Let me know which one have you used before or which you are planning to use in the comment section, and I will be more than happy to reply you all. And if you like the video or my beautiful striped top, or maybe my eye makeup in that case, or if you like any of the benefits of Vaseline, then you can give it a big fat thumbs up, and if you're still not part of the family, subscribe. I will see you next Friday. Okay, bye.